Can you see yourself in the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500? This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.